How to Think Like a Rich Person, and Mastering the Wealth Mindset.
It's really tough to get rich if you think like a poor person. And we all know poor people. They're all over the place. So I'm going to just show you something here. This here is a gold Rolex Daytona. The younger people have no idea what Daytona means, but this was Paul Newman's watch and all this stuff. And I own 4 Daytonas. They go, oh, what a waste of money. And that's how a poor person thinks. Why do I buy a $50,000 watch, let's say it is, and gold rings and all this? Well, the reason is because the national debt of America is through the frickin' roof. We're going bankrupt. The way America, with our politicians, the way they solve their problems is they print money. One thing wrong with printing money: the rich get richer and the poor middle class get poorer. The smart want real money. And the reason this happens is every time the government prints money, which started in 1971 when Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard, every time you print money, the rich get richer. Let me say it again. When you print money, governments print money, which are printing all over the world today, the rich are getting richer because assets go up in value. What else goes up in price are food, eggs, and stuff like this. So the rich get richer because they have real money, but the poor and middle class get hammered because inflation's killing them. So we were talking about, why do I buy assets? Why do I buy real estate? Because when I use debt is this fake money here, to buy a house. This goes down in value, but the house goes up in value. So that's why the smart people know how to use debt to get richer, because they use debt to buy real assets, and this gets worth less and less and less and less and less. So I'm just saying to you, that is how I think, and I was trained to think that way. But a poor person, they want to buy something that's nice looking but inexpensive, and that's why they're poor. You know, some people will buy, like I see women with these very expensive handbags. I hate to tell you this. The only place that's going to be good for is a Salvation Army thrift store. But they have some Gucci bag or something. Or they got Gucci shoes, or whatever they have. But there's nothing wrong with wearing your assets on your wrist or gold earrings, because it's not the earring, it's the gold. So if you can understand that, the reason poor people are poor is they think if they get something for cheap, they're smart, but they're really poor. When the government prints money, assets go price up in price. The rich get richer, but the poor get poorer. So when you print money, the price of gasoline goes up. I get richer because I own oil wells. The poor and middle class get poorer because they're putting gas in the car. It's also taking gas to get that chicken and toilet paper to the supermarket. So that's what's going on in America today.